In this video, we're going to give a little overview of Rule 11, which talks about ball in motion accidentally hits person, animal, or object, or deliberate actions to affect the ball in motion. So 11.1 talks about ball in motion accidentally hits person or outside influence. Now, if this happens accidentally, there's no penalty and the ball must be played where it lies. And it also talks about what happens if you are on the putting green. One little quick side note here, I think it's a pretty interesting rule to know, is if a ball accidentally hits the flag stick or person while they're attending the flag, then the ball must be played where it lies, so it is a stroke. For instance, if my caddy is tending the flag and he's not paying attention, looking around, and the ball hits the flag accidentally, or he takes it out and it accidentally maybe hits his foot and goes into the hole, or maybe hits his foot and misses, doesn't matter what happens, there's no penalty and the ball must be played where it lies. So 11.2 talks about ball in motion deliberately deflected or stopped by a person. Now, this rule obviously is going to have a lot of different aspects to it. Did the player deflect it? Did his caddy? Did another player? Did it hit another player's equipment on purpose? Whatever it may be, the ruling to this will be found under 11.2. Now, we talked about how if it's accidental deflection, there's no penalty. But if it's on purpose, there will be a penalty, and you will find that under 11.2. 11.3 talks about deliberately moving objects or altering the course to affect ball in motion. When a ball is in motion, a player must not deliberately take any of these actions to affect where the ball may come to rest. So they can't alter physical conditions by taking any actions listed in 8.1 that we talked about earlier. And they can't lift or move a loose impediment or a movable obstruction. So while the ball's in motion, if you think it's going to hit whatever it may be, even if it's a loose impediment and movable obstruction that you were able to move already, if the ball's already in motion, you're not able to move that. So Rule 11, a great rule to understand. Take a look at it when you get a chance. Thanks for watching. See you next episode.